Hey everyone, I hope you all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to create AI videos for free without any paid subscription. So let's get started. First, search for RemoveSoraWatermark.Online. I have also added the link in the description below. Once you open the website, you'll see an interface like this. Simply click on Claim 30 credits in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the Google sign up page. After signing in, you'll see an interface like this. To get additional free credits, log out and then log back in again. Once you have done that, go to the top menu bar and click on AI video and select Grok 1.5. Once you select Grok 1.5, this will open a new window where you can create AI videos, AI images, AI audio, and AI music. Let's create a video. For the prompt, go to ChatGPT and enter your video idea. I'll be using my own idea, but you can use any idea you like to use for your own video content. Once ChatGPT generates the prompt, copy it and paste it into the prompt box. Next, upload a reference image. It's optional, it's not necessary. And choose the video duration. Also select the video quality as well. And finally click the generate button. And your AI video will start being created. If you see an error message like this, don't panic. It's completely normal. This happens because the free credits haven't been added to your account yet. Simply log out and log back in and the issue should be resolved. To keep this video short and save some time, I am going to skip the logout and login process and jump directly to the next step. And there you go, our AI video has been generated successfully, and as you can see, it's exactly according to the prompt. With the help of this tool, you can get up to 10 free credits every day and generate AI videos on the daily basis. The generated video are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.